Hello, fellow traders. 'Tis I, the Rumpled One, coming to you on Tuesday, April the 9th. The year's 2024. Let's talk trading. Trading with Walmal. As always, these videos are for educational purposes only. Your results may differ from mine and different from Walmal. Walmal, we both survived the eclipse yesterday.
Yeah. All these doomsayers who said the world was going to come to an end, I guess they were wrong again.
I was thinking about that, and what's funny is if you think about it, I mean, all throughout history, some people have used natural events, natural occurring events to, get others to bend to their will. I just think that's pretty funny. But anyway, I've got your trading screen up. Looking at, we got a flip flop. We're in the middle of a flip flop box right now. We're 1.6 off the high of the day and 70 off the low. So that gives us about what, 72 pip range for the day.
Yep, I've got 68 on my chart. But yeah, roughly that. And I'm done trading for the day just for transparency reasons. And it's funny because I made my 17 pips in 4 trades today. So today was a pretty nice day in terms of trading. It was relatively easy. I don't have any losses. That's always a good thing. So, and my spreads have been, remarkably low, between 0 and 0.2. So everything that you'd want on a trading day, today's a fantastic day. But you're right. We're in the middle of this. I wouldn't be trading one way or the other right now, just because it looks like it's setting up an incredibly tight zone here, which I don't know why, because there is no news coming out. We have red news tomorrow, but we have nothing today. We are above, at least on my chart, we're 9 pips above the H4 open, which just opened, I don't know, how many minutes ago? About 35 minutes ago, 36 minutes ago. And we are above the double O, the 2700, and it had to break that twice before it actually was saying, okay, I think we'll stay here for a while, but looks like it may be coming back down. If we do break the area of, on the downside of, let's say, about 2703, 2703.5, I'd probably go short. Although the flip-flop boxes are into right now, I don't trust it just because of this congestion zone. And I don't like congestion zones. That's what causes havoc for me. But we're sitting here at 05. Back and forth, back and forth.
Yeah, well, it looks like this zone between, say, about 08 and 05 it's gonna move out of that area. We're making lower highs, so we just now made a higher high on the
Yep.
1 minute.
My current candle, just so you know, is actually an outside bar. When it closes, it'll be an outside bar on the 1 minute chart.
Looks like mine's gonna be an up bar. It was an up bar because the low didn't break.
It's just sitting here. We're in the second M30 for this hour.
Yeah, we're 3.3 below the M30 open at the moment. Now 0.2. I think it wants to try the double O again.
I think you're right. I just wanted to break this area, and then I'm going to go short. So probably 04. I know I said 3.5 before. Probably now 04. Okay, I'm short. We'll see what it does. Of unless it's going to go against me.
So long as it doesn't close above 6, you should be okay. And the reason I say 6 is that's the high of candle 2 right now.
All right. Oh my goodness.
Looks like they want to put up a fight, make us look bad here.
Yep, that's okay. I take my losses just like a man. Looking like my original idea of waiting for it to go 3 would have been a better idea, but oh my goodness.
You got a 1 ball sitting on the top right now.
Come on, friend. Come on down.
I still think it wants to double low.
I do too. It's just how long is it going to sit here to get there?
Maybe another 5 minutes, it looks like. We'll see. Let's see if it makes a lower low on that 1 ball. Nope, it's coming back. Seems to be dancing around that M30 open.
Yep. It certainly does. And this, my friends, is what trading's all about. Sitting and waiting. You wait for the trade, get into the trade, you wait for the trade to develop. There we go. Come on, keep coming. Busted.
You got a 2 ball, so yeah. I think we want to double low. And perhaps 95. Except we do have a green day. We're 49 pips above that. The daily opens 7 above the H4 and H1 on my chart. Let me flip over to M30 and see what that looks like. Okay, we need to come down to about 26.96 to cover the previous M30 candle, and we got 15 minutes to do it in. See if it covers. I say it doesn't cover this.
No, I don't think it will either. We don't have enough time, I don't think. I
Well, we got
do,
enough.
but
Yeah, we could cover it in 1 minute, but
yeah, it's just that the way it's been moving today.
right.
I'm considering getting out because I got 2.5 pips right now. 3 pips. 3.5 pips.
That's that double O. Is it going to bounce or break? That's
Yep.
what you have to decide. And you know, if you get out, it'll shoot down like a rock. There you go.
I got out with 4 pips.
Nice.
But I normally would have stayed in a little bit longer. I would have stayed in for the other side of the double O. But the problem is that, I talk about it all the time of staying in a trade too long. I was in a trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes. And it's like, for me, it's an eternity. I don't like staying in trades that long. Not with my style of trading anyway. So that puts me at 22 pips for the day. Not a bad day.
Not a bad day at all.
Once again, no losses. That's always good.
So just going back over that trade, that was just a simple flip-flop box trade for you?
It was a flip-flop box at the 05 level. And but I waited a little bit longer because I wanted it to get past the 048, so I got in at 045.
And that the 048 was because of
That's because that's the flip-flop on my chart anyways was at 050. That's where the wick had gone down to, and I wanted to get 2 points below it just to know that I actually did get past it. It wasn't just breaking it. I wanted to get past it by a little bit.
okay.
That's the only reason why. And your 95.0 is looking 95.0 is looking real promising right now.
Well,
We just on my chart just crossed over the H4 open.
yeah, we're 0.7 above it on my chart. Yeah, but if you look left, this would have been a place to definitely take your pips off the table right around that 96 or 97 area because of that long wick. So it came down, picked up some more, looks like orders there, and
Yep.
Now it's going back the other way.
Yep. And then also, I was going to say that, and then in addition to that, if you look a little bit further back, there was a long wick from the other direction that went into the same exact area, and then a little bit further to the left of that, there was a congestion zone. The top of the congestion zone was right there. So it was sort of like, the charts were screaming, get out. So if you didn't get out, it's, I hate to say it, fellow traders, but it's your fault.
Yeah, definitely.
The chart said get out. You got to do what the charts say, not what you want it to do. You got to do what it does.
Yeah, so if you have your chart wide like this, you can't really see some of the price action. So you need to sometimes scrunch it up or have one that's scrunched and one that's not. So you can just see that, in this case, minute-to-minute price action. And fellow traders, we have just about used up the fastest 15 minutes in trading today. Hope you gleaned something from that commentary. And I hope you all survived yesterday's solar eclipse. I have to laugh because people they just really got all crazy about it. And it's just like in trading. It's not what you trade, it's how you trade it. So go out there and drain the banks. This is the Rumpled One, over and out.